In this video, I want to show you how to see how much RAM is in your PC. So to check how much RAM is installed in your PC or laptop, firstly click on Start, then type this PC. Now click on this PC. Now guys, in here you need to right click anyway, any blank space, then click on Properties. Now you will see this system information page, and here you can check how much RAM is installed. In my case, we can see installed memory RAM is 8 GB and 5.93 GB usable. So it can be different as your laptop, and underneath this system section you will see installed memory. So like this guys, you can check RAM on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching this video.